Dear students, in this video I am going to explain what are metalloids in the periodic table. What is metalloid? They have properties of both metals and non-metals. Metalloids are the elements found along the stair-step line that distinguishes metals from non-metals. Here you can see the metalloids in the periodic table: boron, silicon, arsenic, tellurium, astatine, polonium, stibbium or antimony, and germanium. First, boron. Boron is one of the metalloid. It has atomic number 5, atomic weight 10.811. It has crystal structure. You can observe the crystal structure of boron in this slide. Uses of boron. Boron is used in various sectors: glass, ceramics, agriculture, detergent, bleaches. In glass sector, thermally stable borosilicate glass made by boron. We use this glass in laboratories. Germanium is another one of the metalloids. It has atomic number 32, atomic weight 72.630 and electronic configuration argon into 3d10 4s2 4p2. You can observe the structure and diagram of germanium. Uses of germanium. The largest use of germanium in the semiconductor industry, when doped with small amounts of arsenic, gallium, indium, antimony or phosphorus, germanium is used to make transistors for use in electronic devices. Germanium is also used to create alloys and as a phosphor in fluorescent lamps. Silicon is another one of the metalloids. Atomic number 14, atomic weight 28.08, and it has the crystal structure, face-centered diamond cubic structure. You can observe the figure of silicon in this slide. Uses of silicon. The element is a major constituent in ceramics and bricks. Being a semiconductor, the element is put into use for making transistors. Silicon is widely used in computer chips and solar cells. It is a vital component of Portland cement. Silicon used in production. Tellurium, atomic number 52, atomic weight 127.6. Tellurium has been used in vulcanized rubber, to tint glass and ceramics, in solar cells, in rewritable CDs and DVDs, and as a catalyst in oil refining. It can be doped with silver, gold, copper or tin in semiconductor applications. Stibbium or antimony, atomic number 51, atomic weight 121.760. You can observe the structure of antimony in this slide. Uses of antimony. Antimony is used to increase the hardness of alloys with lead alloys for batteries, with lead or copper or tin alloys for machine bearings. It is also used in automotive clutch and brake parts. The other major use is as antimony trioxide, which is used for the production of flame retardant chemicals. The next is astatine, atomic number 85, atomic weight 210. Uses of astatine. There are no known commercial uses for the astatine compounds. Some researchers think that astatine could be used to treat such as diseases as thyroid cancer. Health effects. As a radioactivity element, astatine would pose a serious health hazard. However, because it can be produced only artificially and with a great difficulty at that, hardly anyone would ever be exposed to it. The next, arsenic. It is one of the king of poisons. It has a atomic number 33, atomic weight 74.92. You can observe the picture of arsenic. The uses for arsenic. The arsenic is used in poisonous and insecticides. They are used to conduct electricity. Arsenic is also used as semiconductors. Tobacco plants naturally take up arsenic from the soil. Polonium, atomic number 84, atomic weight 208.9. Uses of polonium: mixed or allied with beryllium to provide a source of neutrons, used for eliminating static charges from textile mills, used on brushes for removing dust from photographic films, thermoelectric power in space satellites. Polonium is the only component of cigarette smoke that has produced. So, thank you for watching.